A will is one of the most basic tools in estate planning, but that doesn't mean it's simple, and it definitely doesn't mean it's enough on its own. If you think having a will means your family will avoid court, we need to talk. At the law offices of Daniel A. Hunt, we help California families create wills that reflect their real-life wishes, and we help them understand what those documents actually do. A will is your legal voice after death. It tells the court who should inherit your assets and who should take care of your minor children. But here's the catch. A will still goes through probate. That means your loved ones will still need to deal with the court system, legal fees, and a public process that can take many months. For many families, a will alone won't protect them from the time, cost, and stress of probate. So why have a will at all? Because it lets you make the decisions, not the state of California. Without a will, your assets are distributed by a formula called intestate succession, and that might not reflect your wishes. Wills are especially important for parents. If you have young children, your will is where you name a guardian, someone you trust to raise your kids if something ever happens to you. That's not something you want left up to a judge. We also use wills alongside living trusts. In that case, your will becomes what's called a pour-over will, which acts as a safety net. It directs any leftover assets that didn't get transferred into your trust during your lifetime to be moved into the trust after you pass. This helps ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Here's what we see all the time. People either put off creating a will entirely, or they write one that's outdated or incomplete. And unfortunately, when the time comes, it causes real problems. The best time to create a will is before you think you need one. At our firm, we take the time to walk you through the details. We'll ask the right questions, listen to your goals, and create a will that reflects your family, your values, and your unique situation. And if a trust would be a better fit or a useful addition, we'll help you understand why. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating a decades-old plan, our job is to make sure your wishes are honored and your loved ones are protected. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and get peace of mind that your will and your legacy are in good hands.